air quality is an issue for today. We really need to kind of
absolutely.
hone in on.
Well, and it's one of those things that I think a lot of folks, it's a concern because you're going to be able to see the haziness that's going to be there for the day. 81 high temperature today, but yeah, there will be that haze. So once again, similar to yesterday, I saw a lot of folks taking some both sunrise and sunset pictures yesterday, talking about how fantastic they were. That's going to be back today. Mostly clear skies, but we will be able to see the haze as the sun's coming up. That happens in just over 30 minutes from now, 5:52 this morning. Temperature right now, it's 50 degrees. Winds are calm. Our temperature well above where we were yesterday when a number of places dipped it down into the 30s. There are some places in the 40s this morning, and we do have Zealand and Opal. Yesterday, they showed 32 for their lowest temperature. They're at 41 degrees right now. Most places, you're in the mid to upper 40s. Pittsburgh area has dipped all the way down to 50 degrees right now with those clear skies. We do have that ridge of high pressure. That means sinking air. So that's means really a couple of things. And I really kind of dive into this if you head over to KDKA.com. They post it at 8 o'clock every morning. I know that now, but my weather blog will be out. And I talk a little bit more in specifics about what's going on because we actually have 3 different types of things that we monitor in the air quality. One of those obviously is Canadian smoke that's going to be right on top of us. This normally is way up in the atmosphere. You can see it with the haziness, but with that ridge of high pressure, meaning sinking air, especially with some windy, gusty conditions for the afternoon, some of this Canadian smoke will work its way down to the surface. Now, what's it going to do when it gets there? Well, the good news for us, it looks like we'll be in that yellow zone. That's a moderate air quality. It's kind of the first rung after you get out of good conditions. And that unfortunately means folks that have respiratory issues, you might be able to feel an impact from this. No one else is expected to really have an impact today unless you're down into the Mon Valley. But that's not the Canadian smoke that's going to have an impact on you. Some of the exhaust from some of the factories there that's going to be trapped at the surface. Rain chances will also help all of this. Thursday and Friday, our rain chances will come back. On Thursday, your rain chances, it doesn't look like much, just a couple of showers. Could have some stormy conditions, though, setting up on Friday into your Saturday. So just a heads up there. 81 high temperature today. Let me quickly show you your forecast. Noon 76, 80 at 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock temperature at 79 degrees. We do dip down to near 80 degrees, but really in the 70s for highs Saturday, Sunday, and we'll continue with those temperatures near 80 heading into next week.